it's me, Sonja Sparkle, back again with another unboxing. I know, so many, but that's just because I'm ditching all my old skincare that I've used for the past 5 years. Skincare, makeup, all gone, to pack it away, and I am trying all new products. I'm just getting what I can as I can, but this is the thing, I'm getting all vegan and cruelty free makeup and skincare. So as I can buy new things, I'm getting it, I'm trying things out. So you're going to see me doing a lot of unboxings, a lot of, you know, product trials, reviews, lots of fun stuff like that. So if you like makeup, you're in the right place. If you like skincare, you're in the right place. If you like vegan or you just want to try to start using more vegan cruelty-free products, you're in the right place. So today I have an unboxing, and this is from Pacifica, one of my very favorite places. Pacifica is totally vegan, totally cruelty-free, and it even has, like, inside this cute, see, look, a little recycle symbol. It's all cute. There's like a little unicorn on the paper. This paper is adorable. Oh, I'll give it to my daughter. She'll love it. Okay. Forgot sometimes what I order, and then you get it, and it's so exciting. Okay, so oh, I can't wait to try this. Okay, this is Vegan Care Balm Cherry Shimmer Plus Peptides Lip and Skin. Look how pretty this is. Look at that, it's so pretty. Oh, I want all new lip products. I'm so excited. So this is what it looks like. It's very cute. And let's take it. I already have lipstick and lip gloss on, but look, I put a little dot there. This is like super thick. It feels really good. It feels like super creamy. It just has like a light tint to it. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh. Oh, that smells like cherry. Oh, smells good. It's a little bit grainy feeling, but it's not bad. It feels really good. I like this. Oh, I can't wait to use this. As soon as I take off my makeup, I'm putting this on. Okay, so this, I know exactly what this is. This is the Dreamy Youth Day and Night Face Cream. So I had got the whole Pacifica vegan collagen skincare kit. Love it. And I actually have a whole review on it. I'll link it right here so you can check it out. But the one thing is the lotion, the face lotion that came in it is more of an SPF. It's not so much a face cream. When I bought everything, I got a sample size of this. So I started to use it for during the day, and I love it. I love it, love it, love it. I'm almost out of the sample, so this came at the perfect time because now, oh, this is like, so it's like a squeezed tube, and this is totally different. Oh, it's a pump. So it's a nice little pump. This is perfect. So now I have this to wear for my daytime moisturizer. I love this. Refuse to obey time. That's awesome. Powerful antioxidants for all skin types. And I do think this would work great for all skin types. Okay, I think that's all besides what I'm going to show you last. Yeah, that's all that's in the box. But seriously, this paper is so adorable. I'm excited because, like I said, I'm replacing everything, and so far I've only had one eyeshadow palette, and I love it. It's a KVD palette. I wanted another one, so I went with this Pacifica one, and it's Stellar Gaze eyeshadow palette. And again, 100% vegan, cruelty free, and I'm going to link all of these products below, and it has like all the colors listed here and back. So let's take it out of the package. I'm really excited. Look how pretty it is. So pretty. Oh, those pretty colors. Oh my gosh. Well, let's see. Okay, so they have all these cute names. Like, here, 1 second. Let me do this. So they have cute names. Like, this one is, can you see? Cosmos, Phoenix, Sky, Cupid, Star, Orion, Stellar, Aurora, Crescent Moon, Libra, Jupiter, Nova, Saturn, Flower Moon, Aquarius, Taurus, Dreamy. Look at Dreamy down here. That looks dreamy. I want to see it. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. And it's like, Oh, it's like shimmery. I don't know if you can see it. This would, oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. That did not look at all the way I thought. Okay, so this is Moonbeam. Oh, it's like a metallic shininess. Oh. Okay, so I want to see this Nova, because those were, oh, the Nova is like a green shimmer. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I don't know if you can see. Oh, there, maybe you can see better now. Can you see them? They are so pretty. Let's see, there's Star. It's black and it has like glittery speckles. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so pretty. It's not as deep black as I would think, but still. I wonder what this Pegasus is. It's like, oh, that's perfect. That's like, it's like almost like a grayish cream type color. Oh, this is so gorgeous. I will have to do an eye look for you guys soon with this. I cannot wait. I am so excited that I have a second palette now. I have two. Oh, I feel like I'm a teenager getting makeup for the first time. Like, that's what this feels like to me. That's what this adventure is. I'm a midlife teenager. That's my catchphrase. You guys heard it here first. I'm a midlife teenager. My midlife crisis is a makeup teenager kick. Something like that. Put in the comments what it should be. And while you're there, also tell me if there's any kind of vegan skincare or makeup that you love or something that you want me to try out. Also, please give a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. Share this with your friend. Go watch all my other videos because I'm new, and the more you guys watch and help me out, the further I'll go and the more makeup I can try out and have fun with. So thank you so much for watching and have a great day.